Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the band is taking a break. Stay tuned for a CEC TV special.
Go around the world in nothing flat, using music as your welcome mat. Learn some real fun figures and facts. Tuning into Chucky's Geography Rap. Spin that globe.
Buongiorno everybody, and now come with me as we pay a short visit to Italy.
You'll find it on the Mediterranean Sea.
And it's always looked just like a boot to me.
It's the home of pizza and opera too.
And it's got a lot of cities of interest to you.
Like Rome, a place that's like a museum.
Cause it's full of ancient architecture like the Colosseum.
And the Sistine Chapel, where the ceilings glow with murals painted by Michelangelo.
Now the town of Pisa has a tower that leans.
Looks alright to me.
I see what he means.
In Venice, there are streets where you can float in a gondola.
That's a kind of boat.
There's more to see, but we've got to go now. Arrivederci, Italy.
Ciao!
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen.
And howdy to all you boys and girls, too.
Boy, do we have a special treat for everybody.
Mine as usual, Munch, Rip Lauren,
Old-fashioned salute to the greatest nation that ever was.
the United States of America.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of rain,
For purple mountains, majesties.
Above the fruited plain.
America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea.
Take it up, band. My father and I went down to camp along with Captain Good. There we saw the murdered boys as quick as hasty foot.
Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle Dandy. Mind the music and the stuff and keep the pizza handy.
Jasper Quijals, sing this voice a song.
Welcome from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. I'm going to Louisiana, my true love for to see.
Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me, as I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee.
It rained all night the day I left. The weather was bone dry.
The sun is so hot, I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry.
Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me. I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee.
I love those old songs.
Yes, so do I.
Why don't we get everybody in the audience to sing along with us?
It's a great idea. Personally, I got a soft spot for America the Beautiful.
America it is then. Folks, won't you join us? Beautiful for spacious skies, for rainbow waves of grain, for purple mountains, majesties, above the fruited plain. You know it already.
America, America, God shed His grace on me.
enjoy themselves along with others.
It got us thinking on how important kids really are.
And this is what we came up with.
To the children of America, that they might live in freedom.
To the children of America, that they will live in peace. To the children of America, we make this promise. To keep the air they breathe,
And all the trees they see,
as fresh and green as they can be. That every girl and boy can share the love and joy that come with true equality. This is our wish to the children of America, that they will grow and prosper. To the children of America, that they will live in peace. To the children of America, we make this promise.
The lakes and the streams,
The roads and the trees.
For you to speak your mind, for the future you'll find. Because of freedom we are strong. To the children of America, that they might live in freedom. To the children of America, that they will live in peace. To the children of America, that they will grow and prosper. To the children of America, we give a country proud and strong.
If everybody does their little part, then the kids in this world are gonna have a real nice tomorrow to look forward to.
Only 5 minutes, Sunshine.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the band is taking a break. Stay tuned for a CEC TV special. It's time again for that chicken who's checking out the stars, Helen Henny's Hollywood.
Oh, hello. I was just checking my makeup because I want to look perfect for my next interview. It's every young girl's dream come true, and I can't believe I'm so lucky. I'm interviewing the new kids on the block, and here they are. Kids, new kids, we're ready. Oh no, where are they? Oh, Chucky, have you seen the new kids on the block?
Why, sure, Helen. I just passed them a little while ago. Hey, aren't you supposed to be interviewing them soon?
I'm supposed to be interviewing them right now, right there on their block.
But Helen, this ain't their block. The new kids block is up that way, about 3 streets.
Oh, 3 streets. Thanks, I got
Hold on. Up 3 streets, then over 2 more.
over 2 more.
Then make a left turn. No, a right turn. Oh, wait a minute. The left turn was right.
Oh, you're going too fast.
Then you want to go northeast on the southwestern, under the overpass, over the underpass, and you're there. You can't miss it.
I already did miss it. We're all out of time.
Sorry.
Oh well, this has been Helen Henny with the new kids on some other block. So until next time, remember, a falling star gathers no residuals. Ta-ta!
All over this country.
country, we're feeling great, cause we're in a rockin' state.
This state song is granddaddy to them all.
But there's 50 places that you can go to snap your fingers and tap your toe.
That's any state at all in the USA.
And we can name them all today. All over this country, we're feeling great, cause we're in a rockin' state. Now when you hear the name of your state, we want you to give us a big cheer, okay?
Well, Alaska's always been lots of fun. You can dance all night with a midnight sun.
Arizona's known for the Grand Canyon, a guaranteed rock solid rock companion.
The volunteers live in Tennessee. South Dakota's famous for coyote. You'll find the Jayhawk State down Kansas way. And golden M hills of California, yeah.
All over this country, we're feeling great, cause we're in a rockin' state.
I can't hear you.
The land of opportunity is Arkansas. And Maryland's the free state where liberty is law. If you're looking for a garden, then Detroit is the place. Illinois is known for its prairie space.
Washington State is evergreen.
Florida has the sunshine scene. Maine folk love their pine trees. The other hand of state is Alabama.
Let's take a big breath.
Spot the lovers idolize Idaho. The enchanting state is New Mexico.
Montana's a regular national treasure. Louisiana caters to a sportsman's pleasure. Wyoming equals equality. Bluegrass grows in Kentucky. Connecticut and Nutmeg are a famous pair. The Diamond State is Delaware.
All over this country, we're feeling great, cause we're in a rockin' state. Do the kids know the state's nicknames? In Missouri, they say,
Hey, show me. Aloha in Hawaii means
Get to know me.
Indiana's where America's crossroads cross. Wisconsin Knights make the Badger boss. The Granite State, it's New Hampshire's name.
New York enjoys its empire fame.
Vermont is known for its mountains green. Michigan, the home of the Wolverine.
All over this country, we're feeling great. All over this country, we're feeling great.
And West Virginia loves its mountains too. North Dakota salutes its native Sioux.
Colorado checks in as a centennial state.
Minnesota made that busy gopher great.
Mississippi is proud of their magnolia tree.
And those Georgia peaches are sure to bleed.
In Ohio, buckeyes are the trees that matter.
The sagebrush blooms bring fame to Nevada.
All over this country, we're feeling great, cause we're in a rockin' state.
And Iowa, Hawkeye is a special breed. Always rockin' and bumpin', it's guaranteed. We know cornhuskers live in the heart of the land. That's Nebraska, in case you didn't understand.
Well, North Carolina has a special deal. The people are known for the Tar Heel. Up the coast, Rhode Island, what's the ocean view? Oregon, the home of a beaver and
Are we there? Massachusetts is an old colony. Utah's buzzing about the honeybee. If you're in Oklahoma, you're a Sooner fan. If you're in Pennsylvania, you're a Keystone man.
Texas is the Lone Star State we know. Virginia was the Old Dominion long ago.
That makes 49. That's South Carolina, the Palmetto State.
Done just in time.
All over this country, we're feeling great, cause we're in a rockin' state. That's all 50.
You know, you can take away someone's house, you can even take away someone's car. Why, you can even take away my pizza.
Oh, Mudge, why did we take away your microphone if you don't stop talking so crazy?
Well, there's one thing nobody can ever take away from any of us.
What's that?
This is my country, land of my birth. This is my country, grandest of all. I pledge thee my allegiance, America, from all.
Come on, everybody, sing along.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw a bubbling, that endless skyway. I saw before me that golden valley, saying this land was made for you and me.
and gentlemen, boys and girls, the band is taking a break. Stay tuned for a CEC TV special.
Spanning the globe.
Hold it, Munch. He said spanning the globe, not fanning the globe.
It's time for the Chuck E. Cheese News.
Well, hello, news watchers. You know, before we start today, I wanted to answer a question that lots of you have been asking. Chucky, you asked, why are you doing a news show on TV? Well, the answer's simple. See, I used to be an old newspaper man, but it wasn't working out. You see, you just can't make any money selling old newspapers. And now, let us go directly to this special live story from Helen Henny on Head on the Street.
Thank you, Chucky. The news here on the street is that it would be much safer to be on the sidewalk. Oh, you boys and girls should especially remember these rules about the streets. Never go into the street chasing a toy or a pet. Always remember to stop, look, and listen for cars. Only cross streets at the corners. And if there's not a stoplight that tells you when to cross, make sure you have a grown-up help you. This is Helen Henny, your Hen on the Street, getting off the street right now. Whoa!
Thanks for that important story, Helen. Good advice for all of us. And now let's hear from Sporthound Jasper T. Giles for some up-to-the-minute scores.
Thanks, Chucky. And let me check on the latest scores. Let's see. Over there at the skee ball, little Jessie just got 150 points. Sarah got 90. And Carter winds up for its pitch and... oops! His skee ball is heading for the salad bar. Meanwhile, over there at the whack-a-mole game, Rashad came back from a disappointing no-hitter and scored a personal best of 9 whacked moles. Wow! And those are the latest scores.
Thanks, Jasper. And that's it for now, folks. So until later, this is Chuck E. Cheese saying that if something important is happening somewhere, it's news to me.
In that field again.
You know, Munch, so am I. Oh, I think my pride is showing again.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I think my pride is showing again.
Oh, yes, indeed.
I catch myself puffing on my chest.
Being an American is simply the best. And we're not bragging cause we all know that it's true.
And I'm busting my butt.
When you're from the USA, you feel a special way about the place where you live.
Oh, I think my pride is showing again. 'Cause I love you. Oh, I think my pride is showing again.
Guess the kids are feeling it too.
It's not nice to boast or brag, but every time I see our flag,
I think my pride is showing again.
I'll tell you what I know. Our Constitution is a guarantee that we can be what we wanna be.
That everybody has a chance to speak their mind.
The millions of different faces this country of ours embraces makes it the best of the best. Oh yeah.
Oh, I think my pride is showing again. 'Cause I love you. Oh, I think my pride is showing again.
it's not nice to boast or brag, but every time I see our flag,
I think my pride is showing again.
Alright everybody, clap along and sing with us. Let's go!
Oh, I think my pride is showing again.
Yeah, you get the idea.
Oh, I think my pride is showing again.
Let's see it now.
Oh, I think my pride
Declaration of Independence.
The Statue of Liberty. Well, Chucky, for me, it's Old Glory. I get butterflies every time I see it. You're a grand old flag, you're a high-flying flag, and forever in peace may you wave.
You're the emblem of the land I love, the home of the free and the brave.
Every heart beats true under red, white, and blue.
Where there's never a boast or brag. But should old acquaintance be forgot, keep your eye on the grand old flag.
There's a feeling comes a stealing, and it sets my brain a-reeling when I'm listening to the music of a military band. Any tune like Yankee Doodle simply sets me off my noodle. It's a patriotic something that no one can understand.
Red, white, and blue, I am for you. Honest, you're a grand old, honest, you're a grand old flag. You're a grand old flag, you're a high-flying flag, and forever in peace may you wave. You're the emblem of the land I love, the home of the free and the brave.
Every heart beats true under red, white, and blue, where there's never a boast or brag.
But should old acquaintance be forgot, keep your eye on the grand old flag. Hurrah!
I want to thank you all for joining us in our salute to America. And now it's time to introduce our grand old band. Helen Henning, Jasper T. Jones, and Squally, Mr. Lunch, and I'm your host, Chucky Cheese. Remember, it's people like you that make this country great. So long for now.
Only 5